How to download and install Binance on your desktop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Binance app on your desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Binance download for PC. After you search for Binance download for PC, you will see Binance website pop up. Now you will see the download option right there. Tap on download and it will take you to this website. Now right here you will see different options. There is an Android download option. There is also an iOS download option and there is a Windows. Since we are on Windows, I'll just tap on this download option. Now it will redirect and it will start installing an exe file. Now the exe file might take some time to install, so just wait for it till it gets installed. After your exe file has been downloaded, you'll simply need to open it up. After you open this up, you will need to choose your language. Tap on OK. Now choose the file location where you want to install it. Tap on install and it should start installing. Now, while this installs, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now it's completed. Tap on finish, and after you tap on finish, Binance should open up. After your Binance opens up, you can just log in or just create an account and sign up and use your Binance. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.